Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both controllers and the console. Make sure the second controller has enough charge. Low battery causes pairing failures. Once the console is on and you're at the home menu, keep the primary controller in hand to navigate. Make sure Wi-Fi or Bluetooth isn't disabled in system settings. This can block wireless pairing. If using a wired Pro controller, have the USB cable ready. Now move into controllers and sensors to add the new device. You'll now put the switch and controller into pairing mode. From controllers and sensors, select Change Grip/Order. This readies the console to detect new devices. Next, physically trigger the controller's sync. For Joy-Con, slide onto the rail or press the tiny sync button until the LEDs flash. For a Pro controller, press and hold the sync button near the top. Once the lights pulse, the console should register the device. If you see it on screen, confirm placement and let the system finish pairing. Finish by confirming the controller is active and testing inputs in the home menu or in a game lobby. If the controller doesn't respond, power cycle the switch and try Change Grip/Order again. Sometimes a reboot clears transient radio conflicts. Make sure both switch firmware and controller firmware are up to date because firmware mismatches can prevent pairing. If problems persist, try pairing closer to the console, remove interference from other Bluetooth devices, and retry. That usually resolves stubborn connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.